Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we will be working on a Firebird, which you can see is running right now, right here. So it is a Pontiac and it is a 76, and right now we just got it from somewhere in California, and now we have it right here.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Rabbit Motorworks YouTube channel. It's been a while since we've been on. Thanks for joining again. We've been rehabbing a house down in Huntington Beach, and I've been busy. So time to get back to doing the fun stuff, and that's working on cars. So we're gonna give you a bit of a channel update. My wife's bug is in really good shape. She's been doing some work on it now, and it inspired her to start doing some work. So never know, maybe she'll start her own YouTube channel. So the bug's gotten all kinds of work done to it. The cool thing is that she just put some seat belts in it.
And also she also got a new mirror in.
New mirror and sun visors. And so it's actually starting to look kind of neat, and it's coming around. So this turned out her project car, so she's been driving it down to the beach back and forth a little bit. And then the Camaro's still doing good. It's got a transmission leak and an oil pan rear main seal, or I think rear main seal, maybe oil pan, I don't know. That's gonna probably need some work, so we'll probably do that, some work on that thing on the channel as well. The Porsche's been really good, other than just needing a smog check and really just the radio, the cassette deck, the Alpine was eating tape, so I sent it off to a guy for some repairs. But yeah, other than that, our big thing is our new project car, which is the 76 Pontiac Firebird, all original car. It's been off the road since 1999, so it's the original blue plate car, and you can see the blue plate California with the 99 sticker on it. It's in pretty good shape body wise, other than some weird dings here. So it's got a dent here,
and like a dent in like the bumper, or not bumper, I mean,
yeah, on the side
right here, like there's like a
I think somebody sideswiped something, because there's a ding in the back here and a ding that kind of tore this. I used kind of a lumber crane to show some of the dents in it, but for the most part it's pretty straight.
I kind of feel like someone changed the hood, but why would it be a different color?
So the hood got changed because the guy previously who I bought it from said the front of it was all rusted out. So this is like the only non-original body part on the car. But then there's a little bit of part of the side swipe there, but the hood's in really good shape. It came off of another Firebird, of course. It just needs to get painted and everything else once we do the rest of the body. So for the most part, you know, the great thing about California cars is they just basically stay rust free for the most part, other than they get sun drenched. So what I've been doing, just to get acquainted with the car, is the one big thing with this is that the motor's gonna have to come out of the car. And so let me tell you why. The motor's got expansion plugs in it that have rusted out. So expansion plugs are the big round plugs, and we'll show that a little bit later in the video. And show you guys what the expansion plugs look like. I already got some from Rock Auto, but there's probably 2 or 3 on each side that are rusted out, so it doesn't hold coolant pressure, and the coolant comes right out of the sides of the block. The guy tried doing a quick fix with some Dorman expansion plugs where they're like a rubber plug with a washer you tighten. You guys have probably seen them before, so that didn't take. But what I wanted to do, because the motor's gonna have to come out, is I want to see, do I need to rebuild the bottom end? Has the bottom end got some pretty good pressure from the cylinders? And so I've been doing a compression test with it. I bought a new Lyle compression tester, and it's got all kinds of adapters. And so I took the old plugs out. Somebody had put, back in the day, some Bosch plugs in them. I broke one of them taking them out. So I bought some nice AC Delco plugs to replace it for now, at least just to kind of move it around. I'll probably save those plugs for painting the block or something later. So our compression test results, though, because we've been doing this front to back, I guess these aren't firing order, but I guess cylinder numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cylinder 1 is like 125 pounds, 90, 110, 105, and then this bank over here, 130, 90, 110, 115. So that's not too bad. I'm a little concerned about the 90, but again, the car probably hasn't been driven very frequently. But there's good compression, I think, for the most part. So I think I can get away with saving the bottom end. The car's got 144,000 miles on it, original. So if we take a look at the interior, which I think you did some videos already, Junior, so we'll put some of those up together with this one. You can see it's all original. It's a really cool blue. I really like the blue and white colors. It's really a neat style and design, and everything's interior is in pretty good shape, all original. Only thing, of course, is California sun has really torched the dashboard. That's pretty common. So we'll try to start hunting around and see if we can find a better looking one than that. The seats, believe it or not, are in really good shape, considering the spring's a little bad in the driver's seat, and there's some wear on the bolsters, and some of the vinyls were worn away, and of course the carpet's really trashed. So I ordered a carpet kit from Summit and Summit Racing, and they're going to send an ACC carpet kit, so we'll replace that. But there's lots to do on it. Of course, all the rubber is just like rock hard, and a lot of the plastic pieces and everything else is kind of coming. That's pretty common with California cars too. So, but yeah, I think I'm excited about the car. There's some other things too. If you look at the wheels on it, they're the all original Rally 2 Pontiac wheels. They got a little bit of wear on it, but those are the original paint and color. So it's got a really cool patina that the car does. And those are actually BF Goodrich tires from 1990s, and so they're in really tough shape. The tires like basically splitting apart center now. And then somebody worked at Walt Disney Imagineering from 90 to 91 as well too, and so that sticker's on the back. And then if you come around to the back, there's even some more history on it, as there's a SMC parking sticker. So SMC is Santa Monica College, and so somebody was going to Santa Monica College back in the day too, and that's a parking sticker from that as well. So some neat California LA nostalgia there.
So we have the stud tar. We can make it better. What?
But we're excited about the car. We're excited to be back on the channel, me and Junior. So I hope you guys stay tuned, and there's going to be tons of content on, of course, the new Firebird and the Camaro and the Bug, and so we got all kinds of projects. And welcome to our new pad here in Huntington Beach, Southern California. So yeah, thanks for stopping by again, guys, and if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing, and hope you guys have a great week. Peace.